Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you at my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is We All Are Equal. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So, my dear students, we are going to learn under the title of Oral Communication Skills, agree or disagree politely. Before this, in your English for grade 3 and your previous classes, you have already learned how to agree or disagree. So we are going to practice it further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group, to agree or disagree politely. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al Imran, verse 64. Say, O people of the scripture, come to an agreement between us and you, that we shall worship none but Allah, and that we shall ascribe no partner unto him, and that none of us shall take others for lords beside Allah. And if they turn away, then say, bear witness that we are they who have surrendered unto him. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. But this beautiful verse is telling us a very effective rule of communication. Whenever we talk to people, start with the point where you agree with each other. And whom we are talking with? The people of scripture. The people who have already, they have books. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, whenever you talk to them, call them to the points where you agree with them, right? So this is one of the rule when you communicate with others, start with the positive things, with positive points. And the other message of this verse is, yes, there can be few things where we can disagree. So we can agree and disagree. But the basic thing is, you should show disagreement or disagreement in a nice manner, politely. This is what we are going to learn today. So first you tell me, do you agree with others in all matters? And what do you say when you disagree with someone? Let's find out. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, the first thing, to agree with others in all matters is not possible. We all are different, but in same situation, we can think differently. It means we can disagree. And when we disagree, we should know how to express it nicely. We should not hurt others. If we disagree, even then we should be polite, and we will learn today how to express it. So first, it is good to accept someone's point of view. It is good, or differ with it. It's equally good, beta, right? But be careful. Don't hurt others in doing so. Be polite and courteous while expressing you agree or disagree with someone. This is the basic thing. Either you can say yes or you can say no, but you should know the way. In both ways, you should be polite and courteous. So what are the polite manners we are going to learn? There are few expressions we use. If you agree, how will you say it? I agree. I agree with you entirely. I feel the same. I have no objection. That's for sure. You are right. So these are the expressions which show you agree. And when we agree, it's usually very normal, and there is no problem at all. But if we disagree, how to express it? I don't agree. Say it nicely. I don't agree. No, don't be aggressive. Don't be authoritarian. Show it and say it nicely. I don't agree. And then tell the reason why you don't think so, okay? I don't think so. I don't feel the same. That's not always true. I have a different view. You see how nicely I have a different view, and in my point of view, the thing is like that. right? Very nicely, you can express it. And I totally disagree. Yes, you can say I totally disagree because according to my information, according to my knowledge, the fact is this. This is how, beta, very nicely we express how we feel. Either it's agree or disagree. Understand? Okay. So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, this dialogue is given in your book. You can read it, brainstorm yourself how one is saying one thing and one is she disagrees and then she agrees. So teacher will divide class in pairs, okay? Each pair will play a role play to agree or disagree, right? The way this boy and girl, they are talking, in one situation they agree, in other situation they don't. So likewise, teacher will make pairs, and in every pair will come in front of class and they will talk about a thing. They can agree or disagree, and teachers make sure every student is following the courtesy manners while doing this activity. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart. Now it's time for your homework. You will practice a dialogue to agree or disagree. Once again, at home, you will practice a dialogue. You can agree or disagree with one of your siblings. Record your dialogue and share it with your teacher. This is your homework. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet's lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practicing how to agree or disagree. These are the dialogues. They will find it. So what we have learned today, we learned the conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to agree or disagree politely. So we achieved our SLO to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to agree or disagree politely. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. And beta, whatever we learn, do practice it in your routine life. It's not just a classroom activity. Wherever you are, if you agree or disagree, show it, express it nicely. This is what we learned today. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.